In this video, we are going to show you this jump starter with tire pump provided by Kepeak for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Quality made, weighs in at about 2.64 pounds, measures at 4.62 inches by 2.08 inches by 7.02 inches tall. We have a non-reflective digital display with your controls up front. We have your minus and plus pressure values. This is your flashlight button. Press once to turn on flashlight. Press again, you have your strobe mode. Press one more time, we have your SOS. Press again to turn off. The light puts out 300 lumens. This here is your power button. Hold for 3 seconds to turn off and on. This button here lets you select between 4 units. Right now we have PSI, BAR, KPA, and kilograms per centimeter. And this button here lets you select between 5 inflation modes. Here we have your car, your motorcycle, bicycle, ball, and your custom mode. You have a max of 160 psi. Here is where you'll insert your air hose. Simply take your air hose and then screw it on. You have a 30-watt USB Type-C and a USB-A output of 5 volts and 2 amps. Your power bank capacity of 1800 milliamps with a charge time of about 2 to 3 hours. This is where you plug in your jumper cables. It has a 4000 amp jump starter for 12 volt vehicles. Your jumper cables simply plugs right in. Includes your air hose, your jumper cables, a couple of air nozzles, your USB charging cable, a storage bag, and your user manual. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. Here we have a larger 20-inch SUV tire with a live reading of 30 psi. We're going to time how long it takes to get to 36 psi. Two minutes 28 seconds, and it does have an auto shut off feature. So in this scenario, we're gonna go ahead and jump start this battery here. We're gonna go ahead and plug in your jumper cables. You can see the red and green light alternating. Once you're ready to go, the green light will stay on, and let's go ahead and start the vehicle. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.